Good day, everyone. Learn how to show contacts of Gmail in iPhone. So, firstly, we need to go to the settings and then we need to look for the contacts. If you're finding it, well and good. Else, go to the app section, scroll down, and you will find contacts. Once you click on that, here we need to add a contact first. So, if you have a Gmail, you need to click on contact account. And here we need to click on add account and then select Google or whatever the email you want to. Once you are done with this, once you are logged in, then come back here and come back again. Now scroll down under contacts, you will find the default account. So we need to select default from iCloud to Gmail. And when you will go to the contacts, you will have all the contacts showing whatever is there in the Gmail. So this is how you can show contacts of Gmail in iPhone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.